power pack, just got my energy charge there. We're now just going for a walk on this lovely wooden platform down to the beach. And you have the lighthouse, which was built in 1995. Nice big lighthouse there to ward off the ships from the rocks. Just catching a few waves. Whew. Certainly hot. What a beautiful ocean. What a lovely day. It's been the hottest here so far, 26 centigrade. Absolutely beautiful. So this is the black sand beach.
That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the way.
How scary is she? Flaggerine. Flaggerine. Oh, that's scary. Banana pizza. So tonight I'm quite pleased they're doing vegetarian, which is cool. Check out that avocado, zucchini, some cheese and vegetable paella and a glass of vino. I'm now going to tuck into some dessert. This does look a bit funny. So that's chocolate mousse. We've got meringue, yum, lemon meringue there, look at that. Lemon meringue. And we've got some lovely blackberries, they look quite nice. And just looking here, some chocolate pieces, a little bit of cream, a lemon sponge, profiterole, and a bit of a Madeira cake with orange chocolate. Wow.
Let me show you all the way.
you.
Gracias.
Lovely, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
16.
Oh, has he lost a leg?
Yeah, he's lost a leg.
So he can't jump?
Oh, Mr. Hoppity.
So he can't jump, that's why.
No. Goes the wall.
Oh, he wants it, look. No, that's
He's
nice.
not
He's a
silly.
predator.
You're not silly. Hey, it's probably you, Harlequin. You're naughty. Here, look, meet Harlequin.
What is he eating?
This is Harlequin. Probably Harlequin did it in the first place. You know what cats are like with insects. Hey, Harlequin. You've been naughty girl these last couple of nights. Black and whites, they are the naughtiest. Oh, it was you, Harlequin. Hey. And how lovely are these lights in this old Jandia Mar? They make it so nice at night when they light up the whole grounds. Really nice, lovely. I mean, they just do white lights. It actually changes the atmosphere. It's really nice. Ginger Ma.
Hello, Ginger Man.
Ginger Ma. He's so okay.
Let's buy a drink so we can drink in there.
Yeah, you could. One.
That blue
Do you
one,
know?
actually.
188, 8 litres.
Yeah.
That is good, although we was getting them for €110. Let's get that one then.
What other one?
Ooh, it weighs a bloody ton.
I'll hold it when you come out. You've got a bottle opener, that's the point.
No. That's why screw top's better.
So we get a little careful, please.
You knocked them all over. I want to come back and get some of that soap. Lovely, it smells delicious. Oh, hello dearest. So yeah. I like your hazelnuts. Can you, ow, you're going to open them with your teeth? Yeah, my mate used to do that. Ooh. I like to keep my pearlies, thanks. Right, so got the water, got the mojitos. Gonna watch a cheesy show tonight, see who's on tonight. Coca-Cola, it's like old-fashioned writing. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I love this one. Honey rum. Hey. He's a cool guy that let us go on the internet the other day. Say hi for YouTube. Did you get crisps as well? No, they're not yours. Gonna say. And water. These are lovely, really nice minty nice. Oh, you see little doggy. No, it's not yours. Yummy. Bell jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Woo! Hey, Hedgie. Hey, Hedgie. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hey, Hedgie. How you doing, Hedgie?
It is time to say goodnight to nothing. Seja morrer, bem balançar. Seja morrer, bem balançar.
And all my purple's faded now. Which is good though, I like the blue coming through. So, I've got a plane to catch. Quizo cheese goat farm. Let's have a look at the dates.
On the other side, I'm going to get there and hope we will meet there.
Going home now, catching our flight in 2 hours. I'm sad, I love it here.
We can now, she's handing these items to us as we shortly pass you by. Seat in rows 1 and the overwing exits. So please restart any hand luggage back into the lockers.
Day has passed like a hurricane to my heart, till it far away.
His flip-flops. My friends come off the plane with his flip-flops and his jeans. I've got so long. Time to layer up. I'm back home now. It was a lovely smooth flight and I'm feeling really tired. It's now midnight, I'm knackered out. I'm on my way home now, just go pick up a car and that is it. So I hope you enjoyed watching my 2 weeks of this holiday to Fuerteventura and don't forget to stay tuned and I'll speak to you guys later. Bye! I need a good kip now. Don't forget to subscribe for the next videos coming shortly.